Hey there! Welcome to Soulful Kitchen. If you love kitchens that feel collected, cozy, and full of personality, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring eclectic historic kitchens inspired by Kemp's signature style. Think rustic charm meets artistic layers, where every detail tells a story. Let's dive in. Sunlight spills across this charming townhouse kitchen, catching the patterned tiles, worn oak floor, and quirky artwork just right. It feels like a space that's grown over time, not designed in one shot, colors chatting with textures, fabrics softening every edge, and every mug or bowl looking like it has a story. This country house kitchen feels like a happy weekend morning. Every day, terracotta floors feel warm underfoot, deep blue cabinets glow in the sun, and mismatched chairs invite long, lazy breakfasts. Patterns, fabrics, and vintage details make it feel lived in, loved, and just the right kind of imperfect. This loft kitchen balances raw brick and polished concrete with playful artsy charm. Sunlight pours in, catching kilim runners, striped stools, and bold paintings. It's industrial without being chilly, creative without feeling chaotic. A place where cooking, chatting, and hanging out all blur into one easy, welcoming moment. This cottage kitchen feels like stepping into a storybook, but with a fun twist. Low beams, checkerboard stone, and a cozy window seat set the scene, while cheerful patterns and soft colors keep it fresh. Every shelf and cushion feels thoughtfully chosen, turning a small space into a warm little escape. This grand townhouse kitchen has presence without feeling precious. High ceilings, a marble fireplace, and teal cabinetry create drama. while patterned fabrics and bold artwork keep things relaxed and playful. Sunlight schemes across herringbone floors and brass details, making it feel elegant, layered, and surprisingly down-to-earth for such a stately room. This compact apartment kitchen proves small can still feel special. Creamy plaster walls, tall navy cabinets, and a tiny wooden peninsula make everything feel smart and intentional. Striped fabric panels, colorful tiles, and framed textiles add personality, so the space feels collected and creative rather than squeezed or generic. This coastal kitchen has that breezy, barefoot energy without leaning into cliches. Soft blue beams, whitewashed walls, and a sandy tone floor keep things calm, while stripes, prints, and sea glass colors add gentle joy. It feels bright, relaxed, and quietly stylish, like somewhere you'd wander into after a slow walk on the beach. This moody kitchen wraps you in a cozy hug the second sunlight hits those deep charcoal walls. Dark floors and a vintage range feel dramatic, but raspberry tones, patterned textiles, and layered art keep it inviting. It's the kind of space that makes late-night cooking and long conversations feel extra special. This Mediterranean-inspired kitchen glows like a late-afternoon holiday. Lime-washed walls, terracotta floors, and arched niches set a rustic backdrop, while hand-painted tiles and striped fabrics keep it playful. Pottery, rugs, and sunlight everywhere make it feel soulful and relaxed, like the heart of a home that's always ready for guests. This Scandinavian heritage kitchen blends calm simplicity with cheerful personality. Pale floors and light oak keep it airy, while patterned wallpaper, stripes, and soft pastels add warmth and fun. Sunlight bounces around the room, touching every crafted object, making the space feel friendly, easy to live in, and quietly uplifting. This farmhouse kitchen feels like comfort in room form. Stone floors, beams, and creamy plaster give it history, while mushroom cabinets and a wooden island make it practical. Layered fabrics, copper, pottery, and books bring softness and charm, turning it into the kind of place everyone naturally gathers around. This Art Deco-tinged kitchen has a subtle glamour that still feels homey. Chevron floors, reeded cabinets, and veined marble give it polish, while patterned shades, stripes, and bold art stop it from feeling serious. Sunlight softens every line, making the room feel stylish, welcoming, and just a little bit theatrical. This bohemian kitchen feels like an artist's favorite corner of the house. Original tile floors, a coral island, and freestanding pieces create an unfussy backbone, while Cezanne textiles, vivid art, and mismatched pottery bring the fun. Nothing feels too perfect, but everything feels intentionally, lovingly layered over time. This transitional kitchen is calm at first glance, then delightfully surprising up close. Grayish cabinets and marble keep it timeless, while a coral island, striped fabric fronts, and graphic tiles add energy. Sunlight brightens the textures and colors, making the space feel joyful, approachable, and tailored without ever feeling stiff. So there you have it, 14 beautiful ways to bring rustic character and artistic layers into your kitchen. Whether you're drawn to moody drama or coastal calm, there's inspiration here for creating a space that feels uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more design ideas, and drop a comment telling us which kitchen spoke to you.